Hey, I'm going to show you how this heater, bucket heater works. And I'm going to heat it up in my canner. Fill it up with water. Cold water. And I'm going to fill up enough to cover, get a shot of that, to cover the top of the water. Cover the top of the heater. Now that's been cooking for about 8 minutes, maybe 10. But I wanted to show you from scratch. Can you get it? Can you see that? What does that say?
Try to magnify it.
Alright, never mind. Let's go over here. Well, it's about 70. Get a shot of that. And it's going up. Whoa, see that? See how fast that's going up? Nope, fogging up. It's almost about 150, and that's been in there about 8 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to go back over to the cold water. And can you get a shot of that? It is going down to about 60 degrees.
Well, that's good enough. That's outside.
Well, 70. Yeah, it's going to probably get a little bit colder than that. But it's pretty cold outside. It's about 40, 50 degrees outside. Maybe even a little bit colder. Alright, I think we have enough water. Let's see. Take that out. And we'll just set it right here. Turn this off for safety. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? It's just a bucket heater. Drop it in there. Well, I'm gonna have to add a little bit more water. Alright, we're back. I'll fill it up. Get a shot of that fill up. You can see the water is almost above the top of the rim here. I'm gonna show you it is about 60 degrees. A little bit above. Alright. Plug it in. It's not going to heat up right away. It's going to take about 10 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 minutes. Yep, got a shot. 10:07. Alright, be back in 10. Alright, we're back. It's not quite 10 minutes yet, but I just want to give a little update. Stick that in there. Remember, it was about 60, almost 70. Now it went up to, it's going up to about 100. Get a little close to the heater. Still went up about 10, 15, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, because it's almost 90. It was about 90. So it went up about 30 degrees. Water's a little warm. So be back in 2 minutes. Alright, we're back. You see we went a little bit past time, but I think we'll be alright. So we are going up as we speak. Past 100. Man, this thing needs a focus on it. Yeah. hot we get if I move it to the center a little bit. Going up 2 degrees. So we should get to about 160. So let's see how long it takes. Be back in, and we'll give it 5 more minutes. Alright, we're back. Gave you a little bit extra time. That was 15 minutes ago. Throw it in there, throw it on in there, and move it on up. We are at about 120. Dip that on there. Moving as fast as I thought we were, but we started at 10:07, so almost 30 minutes ago. But we went 60 degrees, and you can get your toes warm in that, I'm sure. It's pretty toasty. We'll give it a few more minutes. We'll see if we get to 160. Alright, we're back. Alright, almost 20 minutes later. I think the last time we saw you was at 10:36. And we were at about 120 on the Fahrenheit gauge there. Now we're up to about 140. Oh, fogging up. I'd say it's about 150. So, get a little closer. Yep, about 150, which is pretty good. A little toasty. So, almost 50 minutes. We went from 60 to 140. I'd say that's pretty good. Still took a while, but I think we get the picture. I guess the real question is, why does anybody need a bucket heater?